So in this video, I'm going to break down Whitelion's Tell Me guitar solo. This one I think is a pretty cool and rockin' solo. Alright, let's get started. So most of this I'm telling you right now is going to be on the G string. And then when I change strings, I'll let you know. You slide from the 2nd fret, and then pick the 1st fret. Slide to the 6th fret, and then pick the 4th. Slide to the 11th, pick the 9th. Then slide to the 14th, pick the 13th. All together. Now you do that again, except for you don't do the first 2 notes. So you start on the 6th and 4th fret. Slide to the 6th, pick the 4th. Slide to the 11th, pick the 9th. Slide to the 14th, pick the 13th. Those 2 together slow. Then slide up to the 18th, pick the 16th. Now go down to the B string, still doing the same thing. Slide to the 10th fret, pick the 9th. Go to the 14th fret, pick the 12th. Slide to the 19th, pick the 17th fret. Then pick the 17th on the high E. Then what he does, he picks the 16th, 17th, and 19th on the high E. Holds that bend on the 19th. And then pick the 19th. Then 16th on the high E, 17th on the B. 16th on the G. 19th on the B to 16th on the E. So it's all together. Then he does a quick hammer on from the 2nd to the 4th fret on the D string. Then a hammer on pull off from the 1st to the 2nd fret on the G string. Then he goes to the 6th fret, same thing, hammer on. And then hammer on pull off from the 4th to the 6th on the G string. Then he goes to the hammer on the 9th and 11th fret of the G string. And then hammer on pull off from the 9th to the 10th fret on the B string. Then he plays the 12 on the B and 13th on the G. Then hammer on pull off from the 12th to the 14th on the high E. Alright, then he goes to the 17th fret on the B, 14th fret on the high E. Half step bend on the 16th fret on the high E. 2 more half step bends on the 16th fret. Then he slides to the 5th fret on the G. Pick it on the 5th fret. Hammer on pull off with an artificial harmonic. Use your thumb, graze the string. Then 7, 5 on the D. 4 on the D. And then a whole step bend on the 5th fret of the A. Then a couple of bends with the artificial harmonic on the 4th fret of the G string. Then hammer on pull off to the 2 and 4. Pull off to the 2 and then to 0. All together. And then bend on the 11th fret of the G. Then hammer on pull off. 9, 8, 10. 9 on the G. 8 and 10 on the B. 7 on the high E. Then what you do from the 10th fret to the 8th fret on the high E to the 8th fret on the B. Then you go to the 12th fret. Pull off to the 8. And your finger stays on the same fret on the B string. Again. Then you go to the 12th and 11th fret pull off on the G string, and then 12th fret on the D, and then pull off from the 14th fret to the 11th fret on the G to that same 12th fret on the D. Do that again with the 12 and 11 to the 12 on the D. Just repeats. 14th and 11th pull off to the 12 on the D. And then one more time, 12, 11 pull off to the 12th on the D. Then you play the 11th fret on the G, 12th fret on the B string, slide from the 11 to the 9 on the G, play the 10th fret on the B string and the 9th fret on the G. And then back up to the 11th and the 12th fret on the B. Back to the 9th and 10th fret of the 9th fret of the G and the 10th fret of the B. Then he plays the 16th fret on the G and the B string, and then the 19th on the B, and then the 19th on the high E, and then slide. And that's the end of the solo.